Right, today we're looking at this Roberts Gemini 55 DAB radio. What I'm told is this one doesn't power up. It does take batteries. So I don't have 6 batteries, but it does take 9 volts center positive. So let's try that. Okay, as usual, we will check. I have mucked it up. And we have not. Shocker. Let's plug this in. Right, I heard something. Don't know if you can see that. That light flashing. There's a little pop from the speakers, so oh, what a scare that gave me. Oh, right, that would suggest that it's working, and that yes, the volume is quite loud. Okay, so we've got something but nothing on the screen. Yeah, it's doing auto tune, so we may just have a screen issue. So possibly when I'm starting it up, it's coming up with some initialization message. Of course, we didn't see that on the screen, so it looks like nothing was happening.
Visiting a client's garden.
Okay, we're getting something.
One of the planting combinations that she commented on as being absolutely spot on.
I'm not sure what mode I'm in at the moment. There's a little switch at the side here. It says news or music. It's on music. So we'll give it a second to initialize. Okay, so I think what we have here is a display issue. Let's get into it and then we'll see. Hopefully it's just not connected properly or something. Okay, so I imagine the display's under there, so it's not going to be easy. This is all soldered on. Okay, I think we're going to have to take this out, take this off. Let's see if... yeah, I think this main board's going to have to come out. Okay, that's that one. So let's take this and this out. There's still a few wires connected to this. I'll try and get this out. So the speakers, and there we go. Let's take this off. This is going to be too big, yeah. I think there's a possibility it's maybe just not connected properly. So if the actual display is gone, we might have a bit of a problem. Okay, maybe not. Okay, so we've got some connectors here, and there's a little connector there. So let's imagine that goes like that. So let's just make sure, let's plug this in manually. And what I want to do, I'll just get a little bit of paper or something to put underneath there. Right, so just to stop anything shorting out, because that is sitting right on top. So that's in. So what I want to do is just test this, just in case this wasn't connected. But to do that, I'm going to have to plug all these back in. Right, I think that's everything plugged in. You're not going to be able to see the screen, but you can kind of see it there. Right, hold it up. So I'm not getting anything on the screen. I wonder if I've forgotten to plug something in. I'm not getting anything at the moment. So, did you spot my mistake? The PCB and the front panel aren't connected together, so pressing the buttons has no effect. Where's the button? Oh! That's it. You're joking. Just something as simple as that. Oh, well, okay. It's good and it's annoying in equal measures because it means that it's working and it's fixed, but it's not anything of an interesting video. It's not really that exciting. Okay, let's put it back together again. At least it was an easy fix. It's all back together again. So it's world service. So it looks like it's got some stations programmed in. Not available. Just trying to find something that works. Station off air. TalkSport. That's usually running, isn't it? It might.
And then obviously they just literally leave them.
You've got it right. They will just surge.
So it seems to be working. There's the time and date. That's the time just now. Frequency. Mono. And that looks like the signal strength or something. Right, so we come to the end of another video. Okay, it wasn't working. It's now fixed. I'm not going to keep this. I've got the Marshall one that I fixed in a Christmas video that we still use, that I'm going to use. So this one will probably be getting passed on, possibly to charity. Happy to get this working. A little bit disappointed that it was something as simple as just a screen that wasn't connected properly. Okay, we'll leave it there for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.